In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your server on an iPhone using a VPN, so you can access apps, games, or websites from another region, unlock geo-restricted content, and enjoy safer browsing. This method works for gaming, streaming, or even just browsing when your network is restricted. Before we begin, let me say this clearly. The VPN I recommend for iPhone is NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and extremely reliable, even in regions with strict internet rules. NordVPN also comes with extra features like threat protection, which blocks malicious websites and trackers, and a kill switch to ensure your real IP is never exposed if the VPN connection drops. You can find a link to NordVPN in the description to get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for NordVPN. Tap Download and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, open the app and either log into your existing account or create a new one. The interface is clean and simple, making it easy to navigate. On the main screen, you'll see a world map showing all available locations and a quick connect button at the bottom. If you want to connect instantly to the fastest server available, just tap Quick Connect. NordVPN will automatically choose a server with the best speed and lowest ping for your location. If you want more control, tap the Service tab at the bottom. NordVPN offers over 8,490 ultra-fast servers across 129 countries, so you can pick a server in the exact region you want to appear from. For example, if you want to access a US server for apps or games, just select a server in the United States. If you want Europe or Asia, pick a country like Germany, France, Singapore, or Japan. NordVPN also has specialty servers for different needs. Dedicated IP servers give you the same IP every time, which is great for banking or business logins. Double VPN servers route your traffic through two servers for extra encryption and privacy. Obfuscated servers are perfect for bypassing strict VPN restrictions, and Onion over VPN servers combine NordVPN encryption with the Tor network for maximum anonymity. There are also P2P servers optimized for torrenting or file sharing. Once you select the server, tap Connect. Your iPhone will now appear to be in the region you chose. You can now open apps, games, or websites, and they will detect your new server location. If you ever want to switch servers, just disconnect and connect to another country in the NordVPN app. To optimize performance, open the Settings tab in NordVPN. Here you can select VPN protocols like NordLynx, IKv2, or OpenVPN. For most users, NordLynx is the best choice because it's fast, lightweight, and reliable for browsing, streaming, and gaming. You can also enable Auto Connect, so your VPN connects automatically whenever you join a new Wi-Fi network, keeping you protected without lifting a finger. And the best part, NordVPN's threat protection blocks harmful websites, ads, and trackers before they load, giving you a smoother and safer browsing experience. The kill switch ensures that your real IP is never exposed if the VPN connection drops, keeping your identity and location secure at all times. That's it. Your iPhone is now fully set up to change servers with NordVPN. Access content from anywhere and browse safely. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start connecting to any server instantly.